Perhaps the one bike at the show that screamed "Take my money." The loudest was the Honda Monkey 125, styled after the Z50, the most widely used mini bike in history, and based on the Grom platform. Honda revealed a beautiful retro classic with all the modern goodies. The Monkey 125 features a 125cc SOHC, fuel-injected motor, inverted fork, dual rear shocks, disc brakes front and rear, LED lights and digital gauges. There's no announcement on whether the new Monkey will make it stateside yet, but the exhaust looks like it's hiding a catalytic converter, which gives us hope here in America. There is no limit to how much fun you can have on these minis because, not only are they easy to ride, they're affordable too. If the popularity of the Grom and Kawai's Z125 is any indication, the Monkey 125 should sell like hotcakes as well. Fingers crossed. Slow Adults MMC, Mini Motorcycle Club, on Honda Mini Trails.
Shut up and sit down.